Is there anything at all, anything at all that I can do to make it up to you somehow? I know I'm sorry. I know I messed up. I'm sorry. Hindi ako manyakis. Look, hindi ako manyakis. I'm putting my hands away. Hindi ako manyakis, and I'm not a bad person.
Paano ko naman malalaman yun?
Go out on a date with me. I will show you. Just one date. One date.
Date?
Walang mali siya. We can remember the rooftop where we met. I wasn't gonna jump. You thought I was gonna jump, but I'll set something up, and I promise you, I'll make it worth your while.
Walang katao-tao dun sa lugar na yun. Gusto mong makipag-date ako sa'yo dun?
No, there will be people. There'll be people there. Just please trust me. You'll be safe. Nothing bad will happen to you. Kahit magdala ka pa ng security mo, mga kaibigan, pamilya, chaperone, kahit sino. Promise. I won't do anything.
Trust.
Trust, please.
Ikaw.
Yeah. You'll have a good time. I swear. I know. Had a bad start, bad impression. Sorry. I'm sorry. Look, I am sorry. I will make it up to you. I promise. Kung pumunta ka, doon ko lang malalaman na napatawad mo na ako. That's all I want, just a peace of mind. And just that chance. Kasi pag pumunta ka, I know we're okay. Pag di ka pumunta, hindi na ako magpapakita sa'yo. Ever. Niyanino ko hindi mo makakita. I swear. Look, I swear to God. God, I swear, if Grace has a bad time in our date, hindi na ako magpapakita sa kanya. Lulud ako hanggang doon, Grace. Please, I will do anything. Just one date. One date.
Kailan?
Kailan? Can I stand up? Because it's kind of embarrassing. Sorry. Thank you. Alright. Thank you. Can I just please shake hands? Thank you. Grace, thank you. You won't regret it. I promise. Won't regret it.